Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix download failed problem in WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing this type of issue, download failed, the download was unable to complete, please try again later on your WhatsApp. Then I will show you how to fix this. Guys, first of all you need to understand what actually this problem is. This problem maybe occurs because of your poor internet connection or insufficient storage on your mobile. So let's start and try to fix this. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp. Just type on the top right side three dot. Just type on the settings. In this you can see storage and data. Just tap on this. Guys, under media auto download, you can see some of the options when using mobile data when connected to Wi-Fi when roaming. You need to select first option and you have to check mark all this option. Click on OK. Then select the second option when connected on Wi-Fi. You have to check mark all these options. Then click on OK. Then go back and check whether it is working or not. If not, then check your mobile internet connection. You have sufficient internet or not. Just open your browser. Then open any website. If it is not opening, then maybe it is of your internet problem. If your internet is okay, then go back, open your file manager and check whether you have sufficient storage on your mobile in your internet. Guys, you have to make sure that you have sufficient internal storage space on your mobile. If your storage is full, then open your internal storage. Then you have to delete unnecessary files on your storage. If your storage is full, you need to delete your unnecessary files on your internal storage. Guys, after doing all these settings, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, then try and check whether your download is working or not. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix download failed problem on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.